Welcome to What's Up Next. Imagine a life where $99 a week covers your accommodation, food, transportation, and even a bit of fun. Today we'll take you on a journey to 21 incredible low-cost countries where your dollars stretch farther than you ever imagined. First stop, Vietnam. Picture this: the scent of fragrant pho broth filling the air, the bustling energy of Hanoi's Old Quarter, and the tranquility of rice paddies stretching as far as the eye can see. For $99 a week, you can feast like an emperor on street food delicacies like pho, banh mi, and fresh spring rolls bursting with flavor. Think cozy hostels tucked away in alleyways, costing as little as $7 a night, leaving you more cash for exploring. Rent a motorbike for just a few dollars a day and feel the freedom of the open road as you zip through rice paddies and discover hidden waterfalls. Venture beyond the well-trodden path to smaller towns like Hoi An, a charming ancient trading port, or Ninh Binh, known as Ha Long Bay on land.
Next up is Georgia, the country, not the state. Nestled between Europe and Asia, Georgia is a land of ancient history, breathtaking mountain scenery, and a warm, welcoming culture that will steal your heart. Imagine waking up in a cozy guest house in Tbilisi, the capital city, for around $10 a night. Step outside and you're greeted by the aroma of freshly baked khachapuri, a cheesy bread that's a Georgian staple, and kinkali, juicy dumplings that are a feast in themselves. Visit local wineries tucked away in the Caucasus foothills and enjoy tastings for next to nothing.
Get ready to be wowed by the magnificent temples of Angkor in Cambodia, a country where history comes alive and your budget breathes a sigh of relief. Picture this: exploring the sprawling temple complex of Angkor Wat at sunrise, the ancient stones glowing in the morning light. You can enjoy a delicious and filling meal of street food for just $1. Imagine savory noodles, fresh spring rolls, and fragrant curries bursting with flavor.
Let's journey to South America, where adventure awaits in Bolivia, a landlocked country with a dramatic landscape and a rich indigenous culture. Imagine standing on the surreal salt flats of Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest, feeling like you've stepped onto another planet. Bolivia is incredibly budget-friendly, with hostels for as little as $5 a night and hearty meals for just a couple of dollars. From exploring the Amazon rainforest to hiking in the Andes Mountains, Bolivia offers endless opportunities for adventure.
Get ready for a sensory overload in India, a land of vibrant colors, intoxicating aromas, and ancient traditions. From the iconic Taj Mahal to the bustling streets of Delhi, India is a feast for the senses. Budget guest houses are plentiful, offering a taste of local life for just a few dollars a night. And the street food. Get ready for an explosion of flavors with curries, samosas, chai tea for just pennies. From exploring ancient forts and palaces to taking a cooking class and learning the art of Indian cuisine, India offers a wealth of experiences for every type of traveler.
Venture into the heart of Eastern Europe, where Romania awaits with its fairy tale castles, charming medieval towns, and a captivating blend of history and mystery. Imagine wandering through the cobblestone streets of Sighisoara, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, feeling like you've stepped back in time. Romania is incredibly affordable, with hostels starting at $5 a night and hearty meals for just a few dollars.
Get ready to be transported to a land of vibrant colors, exotic aromas, and ancient traditions in Morocco. Stay in charming riads, traditional Moroccan houses with beautiful courtyards, for as little as $10 a night. Haggle for souvenirs in the souks, enjoy a cup of mint tea with locals, and indulge in flavorful tagines and couscous for just a few dollars. From exploring ancient cities to camel trekking in the desert, Morocco offers a wealth of experiences for every type of traveler.
Let's salsa our way over to South America, where Colombia awaits with its vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and a warm, welcoming spirit. Hostels can be found for as little as $5 a night, and local buses will take you across this stunning country for just a few dollars a ride. Indulge in flavorful arepas, bandeja paisa, and of course some of the world's best coffee. From exploring ancient ruins to hiking in the Andes Mountains to relaxing on Caribbean beaches, Colombia offers a wealth of experiences for every type of traveler.
Venture off the beaten path to Eastern Europe, where Bulgaria awaits with its rich history, stunning natural beauty, and a captivating blend of cultures. Imagine exploring ancient monasteries tucked away in the mountains, wandering through charming villages frozen in time and relaxing on pristine Black Sea beaches. Bulgaria is incredibly affordable, with hostels starting at $5 a night and hearty meals for just a few dollars.
Get ready to experience the energy of the Balkans in Serbia, a country with a rich history, vibrant nightlife, and a warm, welcoming culture. Serbia is surprisingly affordable, with hostels starting at $5 a night and delicious meals for just a few dollars. From exploring medieval fortresses to hiking in national parks to experiencing the nightlife in Belgrade, Serbia offers something for everyone. Venture into the heart of Eastern Europe, where Ukraine awaits with its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty. Ukraine is incredibly affordable, with hostels starting at $5 a night and hearty meals for just a few dollars. From exploring ancient churches to hiking in the Carpathian Mountains to experiencing Ukrainian traditions at local festivals, Ukraine offers something for everyone. Get ready to experience the magic of Indonesia, a vast archipelago of over 17,000 islands, each with its own unique charm and allure. Indonesia is incredibly affordable, with hostels starting at $5 a night and delicious street food for just a few dollars. From surfing in Bali to trekking to volcanoes in Java to exploring the underwater world of Raja Ampat, Indonesia offers endless opportunities for adventure. Get ready to spice up your life in Mexico, a country with a vibrant culture, stunning beaches, and a rich history. Mexico is incredibly affordable, with hostels starting at $5 a night and delicious street tacos for just a few pesos. Indulge in mole, a rich sauce tamales, steamed corn dough, and elote, grilled corn on the cob. From exploring ancient pyramids to relaxing on pristine beaches to experiencing the vibrant nightlife in cities like Guadalajara, Mexico offers something for everyone.
Get ready to be awestruck by the Himalayas in Nepal, a country with breathtaking mountain scenery, ancient temples, and a rich culture. Nepal is surprisingly affordable, with basic guest houses starting at $5 a night and hearty dal bhat, lentil soup with rice, for just a few dollars. Imagine sipping tea with a view of Mount Everest, trekking through rhododendron forests and experiencing the peace of ancient monasteries. From challenging yourself on a Himalayan trek to exploring ancient temples in Kathmandu to simply soaking up the mountain views, Nepal offers an unforgettable experience.
Escape to the laid-back charm of Laos, a landlocked country in Southeast Asia known for its tranquil atmosphere, stunning natural beauty, and friendly locals. Laos is incredibly affordable, with basic bungalows starting at $5 a night and delicious Lao food for just a few dollars. Sample lap, a minced meat salad, khao soi, a coconut curry noodle soup, and fresh spring rolls. From exploring the Quang Si Falls to tubing down the Mekong River to simply relaxing in a hammock by the river, Laos offers a truly relaxing and affordable escape. Get ready for an adventure in Nicaragua, a Central American gem with stunning beaches, active volcanoes, and a vibrant culture. Nicaragua is incredibly affordable, with hostels starting at $5 a night and delicious gallo pinto, rice and beans, for just a few dollars. From learning to surf in San Juan del Sur, to hiking to the Masaya volcano to exploring the colonial city of Granada, Nicaragua offers endless opportunities for adventure.
Discover the beauty of Sri Lanka, a teardrop-shaped island nation in South Asia known for its stunning beaches, lush tea plantations, ancient ruins, and abundant wildlife. Sri Lanka is surprisingly affordable, with basic guest houses starting at $5 a night and delicious kotu roti, a chopped roti dish, for just a few dollars. From relaxing on the beaches of Marissa to hiking to Adams Peak to exploring the ancient city of Polonnaruwa, Sri Lanka offers a wealth of experiences.
Venture off the beaten path to Albania, a hidden gem in southeastern Europe known for its stunning coastline, rugged mountains, ancient ruins, and warm hospitality. Albania is incredibly affordable, with hostels starting at $5 a night and delicious bajrek, a savory pastry for just a few dollars. From exploring the Albanian Riviera, to visiting the ancient city of Butrint, to hiking in the accursed mountains, Albania offers a unique blend of history, culture and natural beauty.
Step back in time in Egypt, a land of ancient wonders, bustling souks, and stunning desert landscapes. Egypt is surprisingly affordable, with basic guest houses starting at $5 a night and delicious kashari, a dish of rice, lentils, and macaroni, for just a few Egyptian pounds. Sample full medames, a fava bean dish, and tameya, Egyptian falafel. From exploring ancient tombs to cruising down the Nile River to haggling for souvenirs in the Khan El Khalili market, Egypt offers a wealth of experiences.
Embark on a journey through history and culture in Turkey, a country straddling Europe and Asia, where ancient ruins meet modern cities and delicious cuisine awaits around every corner. Turkey is surprisingly affordable, with budget-friendly guest houses and delicious street food like doner kebab lahmacun, Turkish pizza and simit, a sesame seed-covered bread ring. Sample Turkish delight baklava and strong Turkish coffee. From exploring ancient mosques and bazaars to floating in a hot air balloon over Cappadocia to relaxing on the beaches of Antalya, Turkey offers something for everyone.
Escape to the tropical paradise of the Philippines, an archipelago of over 7,000 islands known for its pristine beaches, lush rainforests, friendly locals, and vibrant culture. The Philippines is incredibly affordable, with hostels starting at $5 a night and delicious adobo, a meat dish cooked in soy sauce and vinegar for just a few pesos. Sample sinigang, a sour soup, and lechon roasted pig. From island hopping in Palawan to surfing in Siargao to exploring the rice terraces of Banaue, the Philippines offers endless opportunities for adventure.
Who says travel has to be expensive? As we've explored these 21 incredible destinations, we've seen that adventure and exploration are within everyone's reach. So pack your bags, plan your budget, and get ready to embark on your own budget-friendly adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to join us on more budget-friendly adventures. We'll keep inspiring you to explore the world without breaking the bank.